Managing a gym efficiently requires more than spreadsheets and manual records. FitPro Gym Management System is a modern, web-based solution designed to automate and simplify gym operations. Built using Python and Streamlit with an SQLite database, FitPro helps gym owners manage members, trainers, attendance, payments, and reports, all from a single dashboard. The system provides complete member and trainer management with easy registration, search, filtering, expiry tracking, and profile updates. All records are stored securely and updated in real time. FitPro includes a smart attendance module for real-time check-in and checkout tracking. The payment module records transactions, tracks revenue, and supports financial monitoring. Interactive dashboards powered by Plotly provide clear insights into revenue trends, attendance patterns, and member statistics, helping gym owners make data-driven decisions. Using Streamlit, Python, SQLite, and Plotly, the system ensures fast performance, offline database support, and easy scalability. FitPro Gym Management System is an ideal solution for students, developers, and gym administrators looking for a modern, efficient, and scalable gym management platform.